Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Jasmine Orski. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng banana carrot cake or loaf. So we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We need maybe this is approximately 1 cup of Australian carrot. This is 3 ripe bananas. We need 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I need here yogurt, approximately 3/4 cup, and minced meat. Ayan, minced meat. Inside there's some sugar, some minced fruit inside. So this is already sweet, so I will use just a little bit of sugar, and also our banana is already sweet, so we don't need too much sugar. And also we need walnut, and we need some vanilla extract. So guys, we now prepare our wet ingredients first, because at home we have a very ripe banana, so I don't like to waste it. That's why I prepared for this recipe. Don't waste things, guys. So 2 whole milk, egg I should say. So we mix this like that. Some vanilla, yes. Our minced meat, maybe I'm going to add all. Approximately half cup minced meat. Our 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Our yogurt, I'll be needing half teaspoon of salt, our brown sugar, it slightly. Don't overmix. Make sure you mix it well in light mode. Guys, we need this baking powder and baking soda. I almost forget. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Baking soda maybe I'll just we need to baking things. Oven must be preheated first, and 180 degrees. We'll bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. So the toothpick comes out clean already. I think this is ready. Oh, see, and you can feel when you insert the toothpick, you can feel if it's dry inside. So this is ready, guys.